Hello, Merry Christmas, or as we can say, compliment of the season. I like to say happy Christmas to each and every one of you. And from my family to yours, I wish you the best. Well, in many homes, this is the most depressing time of the year. That is why we want to bring to you the good news of Jesus Christ. You know, it's very interesting, and in fact, it's very unique. After many years past, Christmas this year falls right on a very Sunday. On this coming Sunday, the 25th of December, we want to take this opportunity to invite you to Restoration Fellowship Church. You know, I think that's the place where you should be on Christmas Day, to come and celebrate the joy of Christmas. And so therefore, you know, we have come up with and organized a service on the very Christmas Day. It's going to take place at Patrick Henry Elementary School, 4643 Taney Avenue in Alexandria, Virginia. Therefore, I am extending this olive branch to everyone around the metropolitan. By that I mean the DC, Maryland, and Virginia area, to come and celebrate Christmas with us this year. You know, don't sit home depressed. You know, don't sit home lonely. Come and celebrate with us, because Christmas is all about the joy that Jesus brought to mankind. Christmas is all about the peace that Jesus came with, you know. And so it's not all about the gifts, you know. It's not all about what the TV or the radio commercials is talking about. We need to know the reason for the season. We are celebrating because of the birth of Jesus Christ. Come, let me explain to you what it means for us to celebrate Christmas. Let's don't deviate away from what the meaning is actually about. And that is why I want to invite you. I'm taking this opportunity to invite you to come. Come join us at Restoration Fellowship Church. It's going to be powerful. I tell you, it's going to be exhilarating. It's going to be exciting. Each and every one of you out there, don't sit home. You don't have a gift. You have a gift. You're welcome. You know, there's enough room for each and every one of us to come. Come celebrate as family. Bring your family members. Bring your friends with you. And let's make it a joyful day. Joy to the world. It's going to be a Christmas to remember. May God bless you and may God cover you. And we'll see you there. Thank you very much.